Hi, welcome to BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we get to look at a SV34 magnitude 4x4 Super C diesel 12,000 pound tow hitch with 1,000 pound of load capacity. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. The outside is gorgeous. It's got the 6.7 Ford Power Stroke diesel, full body paint, huge storage. I love the way these doors open up. Onboard inverter, outside TV, outside kitchen, a place to hook up a barbecue, big pass-through storage, that 12,000 pound hitch, country fill for the water as well as pressure fill, so you can get water in there easily. Super slide on this side, removable 50 amp shore cord, makes it easy to hook it up, unhook it, stow that cord. You don't have to fight with it trying to get it in a little hole. You can coil it up. It's got the Alcoa rims. It's got the tankless water heater. Gosh, it's got the side cameras. It's got automatic hydraulic leveling. Let's go inside. The outside's kind of cool. The inside's really neat. They've got the generator mounted forward with the exhaust as far forward as they can. That's going to make it quiet in the bedroom at night if you need to run the generator. Great command center right here by the door, set up for solar. Big swing out TV. I love this front window. I remember as a kid looking out a front window like this while camping. It's just like the coolest thing in the world. Love the lights. Your automatic hydraulic leveling system is right here again near the doorway. We have the, I like to call it the conversation setup for our entertainment center, our theater seating, and our booth dinette. We can have a whole bunch of people in here just giving each other a hard time, talking, chatting, what have you. A lot of windows, solid surface countertops, GFCI protected outlet, electric induction cooking as well as propane. We've got the big convection microwave, great storage. The again, that water heater, you actually program how hot you want the water. You don't have to mix hot and cold to get it the right temperature. You tell it what temperature you want. Beautiful bathroom. We've got a sliding pocket style door for our privacy in here. You can turn all the lights on in this coach on or off with a touch of a single button right here, a command center. It does everything out of this center. Love it. Big fridge, Whirlpool, built-in ice maker. Nice latch to hold it in place. Back here in the bedroom, it's a king-size bed where the head tilts up so that you can sit here, read, watch TV, scroll through the internet, or just sit and visit with one another. Love this coach. It's so well done. You've got TV in the bedroom, you've got a TV outside, you've got a TV in the front. So you have enough TVs in theory. If you have a need for more than that, yay! AM FM stereo back here. It's a great coach. That's a very quick overview of this coach because there's so much to talk about with a SV34 magnitude that you really can't get it all in a short video. So if you have any questions about this or any other coaches, give me a holler. It's Roger with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you.